So on this pair, using the 1% risk per trade and the 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, your gain on account should be like 0%, which is quite a tragic result. Hello traders and welcome to Crilex Trading. This is Cris and today I'm going to show you the results of the backtesting of the strategy that we've posted a few days ago. If you didn't see it yet, you can check it right there, I think. Yeah. There you will find some extensive explanations of this one. Today I'm going to show you only a quick recap of this strategy, and then you will see some results of the backtesting of the USD JPY and also of the Euro US dollar pairs. So let's see the recap of the strategy and then I will show you the results. So first of all, as I told you, for this strategy, in order to look for buys, the price should be mandatory above the 200 EMA, exactly as we can see the case here. Then the second condition of this strategy for buys is to look for hidden bullish divergences, and we can see a case here. So the price made some higher lows, but the RSI made some lower lows, meaning that there is actually a divergence, which means that the trend may continue to the upside. The third condition for this strategy in order to enter a buy is shown by the stochastic, which for buys should be always below this 50 line. And as we can see, this is the case here. And in order to place a buy order here, you should just check for the stochastic to cross to the upside, meaning that the blue line has to be above the red line. So as soon as we have this cross here, we will place a long position at the closing of this candle, and the stop loss will be 30 points below the lowest point of this swing low we have here. So the low here is 174, so 144 should be our stop loss. And again, for the take profit, you can have more approaches. Some of the traders on YouTube use the 2-to-1 approach. I'm sorry, this is an alert. Okay. Other traders use the 3-to-1 approach, and other may use some resistance or support levels in order to just take profit, in order to set a target. For this backtesting, I have backtested the approach using the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio and also the 3-to-1. So here I will target the 3-to-1, and let's see how would this trade go. Okay, so the 3-to-1 should be nicely hit, and as we can see here, you may also, as I said, a target right here, or it may be higher. We just can check the 4-hour time frame. This is some backtesting here. Okay, and as we can see, for this buy position, we may target somewhere around this level. But this is your choice. You should just backtest this strategy and choose the most comfortable and good way to just set targets. So that's it with the recap. Let's see now the backtesting results. So as I told you, I backtested Euro US dollar and USD JPY. And the backtesting was made on January, February and March 2021. And as you can see here, I just marked some different kind of results here. So first of all, using the 0.5 risk percent per trade, using the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, you should be in January month of 2021 like 0%. So this is quite a tragic result. But let's see the next ones. Also using the 1% risk per trade, the results should be the same, would be the same. And using the 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, you actually would be on drawdown in this month. So this is quite a bad result. Okay, also in February month, I just added here all the results that I've got in every single day which has an entry. And as we can see, at the end of the month, the results are somewhere near to break even. If you add also the commissions and slippages and things like that, this month should be somewhere near the break even. So this is another not so good month. Also in the March month, on the Euro US dollar, because we are talking about Euro US dollar now, again, you should be somewhere near the break-even with the results with using the strategy. But actually, what really surprised me next was the backtesting on USD JPY. So in January month, the results were not so good, but not so terrible as in Euro JPY. Here you will see the gain on account on the month. But these are some greater results than on Euro US dollar. Then going in the February month, as you can see here, a nice result was obtained using the 1% risk per trade and the 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So this should be quite a good month for USD JPY. And then going to the March month, we've got again some really nice results, even using the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So these are the results. If you wonder what is this break-even line here, I decided in backtesting that as soon as the price hit the 2-to-1 target, to move the stop loss at break-even. And I had some cases. I think I've got more on Euro US dollar, but also here on USD JPY. You can see that there was a case when the 2-to-1 was hit, but actually the 3-to-1 wasn't hit, and the trade was close to break even. So that's why I decided to add this break even row, because it is okay for you to just be with no risk on the table as soon as the price hit a certain point that you choose. Now I would like to show you the overview of this strategy. So again, as you saw on Euro US dollar, even if you use the approach of 3-to-1 with 1% risk per trade or 3-to-1 with 0.5 risk per trade, you can see that the results are not so great. 2% in January, 2% using the 3-to-1 with 1% risk per trade, and the results are the same using these four approaches. Also, the win rate on Euro US dollar was quite bad. 38% win rate is not something that would make me happy in my day-to-day trading. And also the maximum losses in a row were 4, which is again a not so good approach if you use this strategy in a challenge like FTMO or something like that. But going to US dollar JPY, the gain on account in those 3 months was 20%, which is a nice result. In comparison with the Euro US dollar, you can see a huge difference here. Also, using the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio and 1% risk per trade, the results would be also quite nice. If you combine this pair with others that have nice results on a long-term period, you can have really nice results. But I have to backtest also some more major pairs in order to see which one of them are fine with this strategy. I will also give a shot to Euro US dollar on the next months of 2021, because it may be just a period of those 3 months where the results are so low. But we will see that only by backtesting this strategy. So I think that's it with this video. Thank you for watching, and hope my video was helpful for you. If you want to see more of these Excel spreadsheets, just DM me on Instagram and I will send you, because here, as you can see, I also have added the print screens from the trading view in order for you to see the exact trades that I took on these 2 pairs. Okay, Thank you all for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in our next video. And of course, until then, trade safe and trust the process.